Listen to this special announcement. Nigeria is our fatherland. Nigeria, our fatherland. And you see some people are buying lands, selling lands, buying cars. Our father, Nigeria, have never even written our way. Our father, Nigeria, you see people are buying land here and there. We never even share land though. We never even share our father's property. Nigeria, our fatherland. And people are selling lands, people are buying lands. See, let me tell you, we are sharing our father's land, our father's property next week, Friday. Listen to this announcement. Anything you have, both lands, anything, onye jikoji, how can somebody be, having like 50 acres of land? One person, 50 acres of land. Some people are buying cars, some people are using cars, some people are trekking. Our father, Nigeria, never even share his property. We never even share our father's property, and you are buying lands. Look at some people buying lands in Abuja there. Abuja is even Abuja we show be nice. So if you have land in Abuja, you are just wasting your time. If you are building in Abuja, you are just wasting because all opera our fatherland in Nigeria. Onye obula rule na Abuja iwo onyara. Opera Abuja we show you. So by this time on Friday next week, we are sharing our father's land. Onye jiko oji ala. Ndị Igbo na unu na nụrụ olu m na unu na Igbo nụrụ Igbo. Onye ji ala ka oji ya wepụta ya na Friday. Moto ka ọbụla ezuru bupụta sha moto ka anyị kee na ihe nna anyị. Our father's property o kwesịrị irutoro onye ukwu rutoro onye nta. Na afọ ndị na-arụ ụlọ na Abuja na-emeji isu a. Ishiobi Abuja we Ishiobi na. Na ndị mmadụ na-adị iberibe. Ị ga-adị ịga Ishiobi gị ịrụ ụlọ. And the opera man, you are just wasting your money. They go get in the West now. So because we are sharing our father's property by Friday next week. Enwe ala ka iji wepụta ya. Enwe moto ka ibu. Moto ibu ma gịnị wepụta ya. Nna ya edebe wheel, the wheel. And now I see you get this one, you get this one. You are just making a very great mistake. For Yorubas, if you are not hearing me, kilo sheni oti emike, kilo wambeni. Waloba mira Nigeria wa emike kama kilo sheni o tibajena owa mishe awosa yayade yes yayade kai walai Nigeria agwe